How to get points on SayHi app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video I'll show you guys how can you get points on SayHi app. If you want to get points on SayHi app, you have to follow the steps. So before that, make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and on the search box type in SayHi and make sure to check whether the app is completely up to date or not. After which you want to click the open button and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how it's going to look like. Next thing what you want to do is click the profile from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen in order to get points. So after which you want to click the pencil shape icon from the top right hand side corner and you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit. You could find, so after you're taken to this page or your profile page, click the pencil shape icon from the top right and you could actually go ahead and find points right over here. So likewise, if you're unable to get it out, then you need to have to go ahead and enable it. For that, go to settings and you could see there's this use points automatically. You have to go ahead and toggle it on, and once you've done it, so refresh the application or completely close it up, and once again log into your SayHi account and then go to the profile at the bottom of the page. This is how it's gonna look like, and click the profile or the pencil shape icon right over here, and then you should be able to locate the points section on this page. So that's the way you could go ahead and find the points on your SayHi account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.